How to remove Facebook Gmail and number not being removed from your Facebook account. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video we're gonna learn on methods on how we can fix your issue of your Gmail or your phone number not being able to be removed from your Facebook account. So without any further ado, let's begin with the video. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit the like, share and subscribe icon. So in order to solve this issue, maybe one of the reasons is because you don't know your password of your Facebook account, or one of the method is just changing your password. So in order to do that, you just need to tap on your menu bar. After tapping on your menu bar, just go to the settings. After going to your settings, here you will be able to see account sender. What I want you to do is just tap on account sender. After that, tap on password and security. And here tap on change password. And tap on your Facebook profile. After tapping on it, just enter your current password and type in your new password. After creating your new password, I want you to get back. After changing your password, I want you to get back onto account center. After that, just go to personal details, where you will be seeing your email and your phone number if you have added. Just tap on your email or contact information. After that, just tap on the current email that you want to remove and tap on delete email address. So after that email address will be removed. So therefore, by following this method, if you want to remove any kind of email address or phone number from your account, you just need to follow the steps. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.